Amazon CodeWhisperer. Have you ever wished your code editor could write the boilerplate for you? Amazon heard your cries. Meet Amazon CodeWhisperer, an AI-powered code generation tool developed by AWS. It boosts productivity and reduces repetitive work. CodeWhisperer uses machine learning to suggest real-time code snippets. It works directly in your IDE based on natural language prompts or partial code. Think of it as auto-completion on steroids. It predicts entire function logic, syntax, or infrastructure code. It's like having a coding mentor who doesn't need coffee breaks. CodeWhisperer supports popular languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, C#, Go, Rust, and more. It integrates with VS Code, JetBrains, AWS Cloud9, and Jupyter Notebooks. Whether you're building backend APIs or experimenting with data science, it's got your back. Start typing a comment, and CodeWhisperer generates the function for you. It includes logic, variables, and syntax, all in real time. Ask for a REST API handler for a Lambda function in Python, and it's done. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned dev, this tool helps you go from idea to implementation faster. It's perfect for skipping boilerplate and understanding code structure. CodeWhisperer turns your code editor into a smart assistant. It saves time by writing boilerplate and suggesting secure, functional code. CodeWhisperer doesn't just write code, it flags security risks too. It scans projects for hard-coded secrets, unsafe imports, and vulnerabilities in real time. With built-in compliance guardrails, it's ideal for sensitive environments. Think fintech, healthcare, or enterprise applications. It's like having a code cop and a code genie in one. Security scanning and AWS native support make it a serious tool for pros. Thinking about the cost? CodeWhisperer is 100% free for individual developers. Students, freelancers, and solo devs can access premium AI-assisted coding without fees. For teams, Amazon offers a professional tier with enterprise controls. It includes team management and integration into AWS IAM. Free for individual devs, making it accessible for students and freelancers. How does CodeWhisperer compare to GitHub Copilot? CodeWhisperer is free for individuals and offers strong AWS and cloud-native support. It includes security scanning and integrates with cloud development tools. Copilot has a slightly more polished UX and broader language support. It offers deep GitHub context integration. If you're in the AWS ecosystem, CodeWhisperer could be your perfect pair of wings. Backend developers can auto-generate APIs and infrastructure logic. Front-end developers can auto-complete repetitive UI code. DevOps engineers can generate Lambda, EC2, or S3 functions. Students and beginners can learn how code is structured. Security-conscious teams can scan for vulnerabilities on the fly. Whether building a portfolio or scaling a business, CodeWhisperer speeds things up. Amazon CodeWhisperer is powerful, evolving, and deeply practical. It's not perfect, but it's a game-changer for many. It helps write safer code and is accessible for students and freelancers. It's a serious tool for professionals with security scanning and AWS native support. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, CodeWhisperer is worth exploring. Dive in and see how it can transform your coding experience.